ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. Great. Quote: ship is always safe in the shore or the port, but that is not meant for. Unquote. See, ship is always safe at the shore or the port, but that is not meant or what it is built for. So what do you mean by that? The ship must go through the high sea, go through the storms, the depth, and they carry the passengers, carry the goods, and also go through a kind of a turbulence. See, that is the purpose of the ship, and so is life. Now all of us very comfortable in the comfort zone. Unfortunately, the progress comes when you come out of the comfort zone. See, I am always happy, I am very complacent. Don't mistake the contentment and the complacency. So you have to understand, okay, the progress comes only from the out of the comfort zone. Just think, you have to stretch. You stretch in such a way that you bend but don't break. You have to stretch in such a way that you are able to get the progress but don't break. That means your goal must always keep on stretching, 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 stretching. Look at this particular animal. Okay, it has got its own tendency, but you have to stretch. So why I given this particular slide is, that means all of us have the animal instinct, but unfortunately you are not able to use it. You have to stretch. I am not happy with what I am. I am capable of doing lot more than what I am doing. You have to ask this question to yourself. Am I doing the best? No. There is always a better way of doing it also. That is one. See, for example, all of us are the prisoners of their own prison. It is all self-imposed. Nobody is putting you into the prison. You always have a self-imposed prison. Think that, call it as a comfort zone. See what I mean by comfort zone? I am always happy. Aram se. Aram se. Isn't it? There are two things. One is, you are always relaxed. But you can always be very relaxed when you are able to progress. Okay. Now that means that thing you call that you are in a comfort zone, which is not good. Challenge it. You must keep on asking, am I doing my best? If you are not able to do it, stretch. There is no other alternative. Your potential is greater than what you think you are. All the men of achievement, they had the same principle. Okay, they have the goal, they got the milestones, and they got the perseverance, and they want to maximize their potential. Now, if you have this kind of an attitude, See, that means you will thank yourself. Hey, come on. I never thought I am so capable of doing it. So that means you must have an attitude. Yes, I must come out of the comfort zone. See, all the great players, or all the men of achievements, see, they have the same, the stitching ability. See, we are always happy, in the comfort zone, the lazy man's zone. But you have to think yourself, yes, I am capable of doing what I am doing now. Okay. See, now, let me explain to you. It's a very powerful one, but you must keep on, reading or seeing and also reflecting on this particular one. Now, there are 4 zones to get the self mastery. Now, what do you mean by self mastery? I want to conquer myself. I don't want to be a slave. Now, I can do what I want. Okay, now I must, make sure that I am able to maximize my potential. For that, you must come out of the comfort zone. There is no other alternative. If you ask me, is there any alternative? No. See, God has given you a lot of tremendous amount of capacity. But unfortunately, the inertia, the laziness is not able to bring it up. So, for example, there is a comfort zone, then the fear zone. We go through the kind of steps, and then learning zone, and the growth zone. Okay, now then you are able to have a mastery about yourself. I keep on telling the bottom line of the life is happiness. When I say happiness, it's not a pleasure. It is not a pleasure alone. Okay, I'm always happy. The ups and downs. So for that, you must come out of this comfort zone. Yes, I am very comfortable. Now I must stretch. Unless otherwise, I stretch it. That means I will not find a kind of a progress in my life. Okay, don't make any mistake on this particular one. Okay, when you are in the comfort zone, okay, you always feel comfortable, right? You are under control. The problem is you always control the other people. Okay, now you are very comfortable. So you are in a comfort zone. Please go to the next one. The fear zone. So what will happen if I do something? What happens if I come out of the comfort zone? Okay, then you keep on asking a lot of, the excuses. Okay, and also trying to find out what the other people will think if I fail. What the other people will think if I fail. But why don't you think yourself? Okay, that means you have a lot of lack of self-confidence. Okay, now all of us, we are not able to come out of the comfort zone because the fear of the failure and the reinforcement of the failure. The fear makes all things difficult. Faith makes it possible. Okay, love makes it easy. That means I must love. I must love to come out of the comfort zone. Okay, now you have to understand this particular concept. That means from the zone of fear, and you have to edge out to the learning zone. That means you always acquire a lot of skill. Okay, you are keep on learning, relearning, unlearning. Okay, trying to upgrade your skills. You try to understand that there is no problem at all, but everything is a challenge. Okay, so the tremendous amount of the attitudinal change. That means earlier when I was in a fear zone, everything is a problem. The moment I come to the learning zone, see, that means you don't have any kind of a defending. So you always try to find out, okay, there is a problem. No, it is not my problem. There is a challenge. So I am going to really come out of this. Okay, once how this the attitudinal change, see that means nobody can stop you. Okay, now from the comfort zone, you graduated to the fear zone, then you go to the learning zone. Then the next thing is the growth zone. So what do you mean by that? You always stretch. You try to conquer yourself. Have your dream. Find a purpose. The ship is always very safe in the port, but that's not meant for. You have to go through the high sea. You must go through the storm. You are supposed to carry lot of cargoes. Okay, now you have to come out of the zone of comfort. Okay, now from the zone of comfort, come to the fear zone. Okay, yeah, everybody has the fear, but I have to conquer. So that means there are two ways of reacting anything in life. One is defending mode or the learning mode. Let me repeat once again. Any activity that you are doing or interacting, there are two things. Any action. Okay, when you have an interact with other people, okay, that means you got two modes. One is learning mode or a defending mode. But you have to understand that the learning mode is excellent. Okay, that means from the comfort zone to the fear zone to the learning zone to the growth zone. That means you have a self mastery about yourself. You are not a slave to anybody else, but you are content. But I am not complacent. So I always feel, yes, I am the master. Okay, now as far as the transactions are concerned, there are so many roles. But as far as I am concerned, so I am a master. Okay, that is the purpose of this particular session. Now, all of us are very comfortable zone. Suppose you want to do something, there is a lot of risk. You must have kind of a risk appetite. You ask any person who has achieved a lot, but you must find out the amount of the struggle he has gone through. But the only difference between the ordinary people and the men of achievement, that they're able to enjoy. That will be a success, that will be a failure. It is like a day and night. Okay, so you have to accept it. Once you're able to do it, that means, yeah, I'm conquering myself. I repeat once again, the self-mastery is the highest conquer in our life. Okay, I hope you understood. Can you come out of your comfort zone? Okay, can you go to the learning zone? Okay, I also told about Michelangelo at the age of 80 plus. He said, quote, I am still learning. So what do you mean by that? So you have to learn from the cradle to the grave or a tomb to the tomb. Okay, take care, all the best. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti